I'm gonna do that. What? Will give me a greet you. What? Will give me a greet you. What's one ta 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 ta? What's one double tap in your screen? Why are you able to sit back and sit back? I sit back and no one. You are going to like me. Me a car by Wissy. As a knock car by Wissy. What do I have a knock car by Wissy? Lady of evil. As a knock car by Wissy. The lady of evil. Every people. Go down. Yeah, European. It's like the way you are. My sister, I never want my sister. It's like Ghana. No retreat, no surrender. It's like Ghana. No retreat, no surrender. No. Esther no gaze na hu be wesi na hu ye be wesi Esther no gaze wa no Esther no gaze na ki ye be wesi o we kwenye wa no e wa nyenye na no ekwi Esther na gaze ekwi Esther na gaze questa è bien na gaze ekwi si papa no bia ezi o enya ro bia o fon bi o fe o si palo bi o si palo Wahala for born straight, we not straight. Imagine girl we head not straight, one we head born straight. Hello, sister we not high, one use high phone. God go punish you. Can you just imagine? Say no to Europe tour. Native daughter when they sing Christian music. Hello? Is somebody hearing me? Hey, are you boy? Share the video, let's go there. You see this song where they sing to now? This Eric Ogiwe sing this song to now. First let me say I know. Now church. You understand? Now first let me say they sing for our church. Now Christian song they sing. So you see this person now chorus now for church. You understand? So if this person now they sing now you know say now Christian be. Look at her movie for you. Oh my God. Not be like Esther when they go church. You know they go church. Now Christian music they sing. You know they go church now. Now juju she die they sleep. Yeah. Share video na me. Share this video for me, guys. Greetings to every one of you guys that are watching this broadcast. Now, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good yesterday. Depends on whatever country or wherever Zoom if you watch me from. Hello. As you all know, this is from Victor the Umenwan, one of the universe, the social media king, the social media kubana, the social media O2, the social media Emiwa, the social media Akobisi. Runda, I don't Akobisi, edokpayi, my baba with this man. Those who like me, congratulations. Those who don't like me, fuck you, I don't like it too. You understand? If you do for me, I do for you. If you don't like me, I will kill you. I don't like you too. Straight down. You understand? If you know say you don't like me, I will kill you. I don't like you. All those are show waiting for TikTok. I never get on time. You understand? When I get on time, go answer now. All those combined with single mothers, frustrated depression, single mother killers. And they come for now. If you like me, I like you. If you don't like me, you are walking along, go for national peace to read because you know they pay my bill. Alright. Now you go see this woman down. About destiny no who are Esther. No soon ni akpemakwebo. Esther na kana akpemakwebo. Aka na biebi. Esther. Wetin you know apology ni me no menwa wotana. Wetin you do apologize ni me. Apology agbo Esther. Esther uga you apology. Apology on your belly where you are. Apology on your best Stephanie you are. Stephanie, oh, when we are Highland in your winning, a train track in your train, our guardian. Oh, he has soon. Apology, he has besogo. Apology, he has bekoko. Sera koko, apology, he has beyo. Who are soon. Ebe me here anywhere. Ebe monwe kati ye ni me. Ima sawe ebe mon oge mon my problem. But for you to back up now, after we don't watch the other for when, I let you play one audio. Since your husband the bragado, say you know they call me. Or say not dropping one audio. You understand? Or say not drop one audio. See, for this social media, what will this so? If you're ready for saga, ready to get equipment to back it up. You understand? So you don't feel wrong. Esther. You need more equipment to back your saga up because you don't get peace for this media. Start to agree with you. You don't get peace for this media. You can't be a demonic woman singing Christian music because the deceiver for abroad. A son now one dog cut down. You play over 2.5. Una be over 3. Una the over 3.5. You know be 2.5. Okpa fiam. A go with if Okpa can score. You understand? Again, a game with the work Okpa fiam. Now my people, I greet you now with better. I want to share this video. Esther, your husband called me, tell me, see, the hair where you say now Edward get on. Say you just help Edward back head come abroad because they say not be your hair. Which me I know say na pure lie. I don't explain myself for Facebook, but for many of them for TikTok don't really know my explanation. When Destiny they always call it the Murphy, then Kare Ruwala, Ukwa one, Steamy, what the other Omede, Igihon, carry the amount to give Eddie Murphy, made the Murphy the saga. After then, Eddie Murphy came out to confess. 2021/22. Eddie Murphy can confess. Say now, Destiny Ebagua. Now I give her information when they do saga. The saga or those shege fathers. You can at least, you know. Then I sat down, listen, watching the video. I also analyzed that video. Now, that was the reason why Destiny had to back up from Eddie Murphy. Because he was being exposed by Eddie Murphy. What it gonna happen? He come my own side. The same Destiny jump come my side. Now they feed me too with information, and I have to start using my brain. Why Destiny feel overshadow Eddie Murphy? Because Eddie Murphy was not having a proof to back it up of what he said with his mouth. See what Destiny tell me. See what Destiny tell me. See what Destiny tell me. Eddie Murphy not get proof. That was the reason why we, the presenters those days, instead of dealing with Destiny, we started dealing with Eddie Murphy. We believe Eddie Murphy just want to lie on top of Destiny or blackmailing Destiny. Bro, when he come to my own territory, I can't see. I say okay. He started giving me information. Oh, I said okay. That means this guy they really use man to spoil your own fellow industry people. I started doing my own record to have proof, evidence against Destiny Ebagua for his nuisance and his liar. All this Bible and this, but that is, he showed it too much. But inside there, all this while, I kept mute. I'm not using against them, and just normal talk, normal discussion, gamma, yeah. I kept mute. I lock up. Till this say no to Europe tour. Thank you for the gifts. I appreciate. Say no to this Europe tour. We come soon. Then Destiny they feel say based on we be friend, gaiman, paddy, we use paddy. Injustice for one is injustice for all. As I say your wife now musician, it will affect your wife, bro. This one not before say I know you, I know you. I know you. everybody will collect what to assassinate a musician, no level. People there abroad, they don't be mugu. Everyone in the world, in your war. I will play some video just now. You understand? This movement must stand. This is not a joke. It will stand. It will cast everywhere. Many things go stop. People go insult me. I don't care. But that stand, that movement must stand. Say no to Europe tour. It must stand. Oh boy. When this thing is try talk to me inside house, I don't agree. He try persuade me inside house based on one guy, man. I say, oh yeah, pa, forget this one with friendship. Remove friendship, drop on. Let's face reality first. This is a movement. Friendship no go, you no go cover this one. You see the way I talk to him. He pin down. You understand? It's okay. No, like, I support you. I support you. I support you. He move. Then the wife, the useless wife, wait, marry Destiny. Because not be Destiny marry her. Destiny not get money. Destiny say poor niggas. Destiny give me go. You understand? Many people don't know. I get many evidence. Destiny has no money there. Oh, why Destiny not there? Still a passenger road. Oh, why did you get Destiny? Nobody know. But Destiny see the house. He get why. The person will get a house now be Jessica. He go there. Just Destiny use that money, use that house, borrow money. When Destiny broke. May God not let us marry a bad woman. Put your 2 hands in your head as a man. Say, my father, my maker. Every evil woman coming to my life, may God remove them by fire, by thunder. Now, so it still be for woman who get money. Pray, may God not let you marry a bad woman. He go dry, you go down. He go dry, you go down. Like Esther. May God not let me marry a woman like Esther, edokpayi. Say, my father, my maker. As I begin to pray now, with the voice of thunder, Father Lord, every evil woman like Esther, oh, we edokpayi, I reject them by fire, by thunder. Holy Ghost fire. Oh, who knows you is a bad wife. Oh, who knows you is a bad wife. There are things that will happen to you in life as a man. If you think about your wife, my guy, you go smile. You go smile. You go don't say you have everything. Your awful building house will collapse. Where government people go hang themselves. But if you think about the wife when you get for house, you go smile. You go say it is well. You know why? You have everything. Without wife alone in your life, you have everything. Your table shall be turned around again. But do you know you might have the whole world when you have a bad wife? You will never know peace. Example is Esther edokpayi. My people, many of us when they talk, after they talk now Benin now be. Many of you now know Destiny for Benin. I be cameraman. You understand? Bro, small pikin you go to hear of Destiny o Saugwe. Destiny o Saugwe, man no be Ebagua o. Destiny o Saugwe. Destiny o Saugwe o. Destiny o Saugwe. Bro, the only way you go hear Destiny name now Destiny o Saugwe, man no be Ebagua o. Destiny o Saugwe. Now the place you go hear Destiny name. Now the only way you go to hear Destiny name, musician man, that you go to hear Destiny name. Behold, when Destiny now got married to Esther o edokpayi, obi say no biazen. The table turn around. Destiny don't know where you go put hand. For Destiny to remove native daughter wife for your hand, things must happen. I want to ask Esther how many husbands he born for and what would their job. Native daughter that Esther born for. You understand? In your father, now native daughter, he still go marry native daughter. You see the reason why the woman is so demonic. The same Esther, now witchcraft, in and mother, plus all that thing, they pursue them. Now you can imagine this kind of a woman. What good they come out of her? If devil give you 10 naira, they will take 200,000 for your hand. If devil give you 20 naira, they will take 1 million for your hand. It be like devil gift be like when they play gamble. Before you go win 1 million, you go use 20 million play. Are you gaining or you are losing? You're losing, bro. You understand? Now, this Esther, new destiny. Destiny life become worthless, useless, wretched and poor. Now, I don't know. I'm going to explain and I'm going to give you a proof. 2019, when Esther really blew. Now 2019, when people know her, when they sing all those songs, oh my God, me, oh then she still in Nigeria. She never enter abroad. She defied every means to come abroad. Destiny just dive in. Destiny started to help him. Destiny was helping the family. The family, even poverty, they call the family poverty. As poverty, as the Esther family poor rich. People were still poor, call them una poor, sha. You understand? That is to tell you the reason of their poverty. Now, the only person who could help Esther smoke from that where Esther calls their friend, where the Yansha. Now one can love the corner. It is for Verona. One can love Osa all this. You understand? One can love. One at double tap. Let's go there. I got to post everything. I got scatter everywhere for the social media. I tell you, Esther, for you to open your mouth, call me to Umenwan. I say you want to go because I will say, send her to Europe toy. Now Europe toy on a come. Hey toy working. You can't say now, Baba with the smell. You collect my wow to. That your toto. I go woloran. In your wolo hini mo alaluhi. What Mo Alaluhe, the chairman, the CEO of Alaluhe Worldwide. Meno, Ogbogbazem. No. And I want to know what they go ekbe, the cinema ekbe. Don't ma go winner, ni ma destiny na agba. Anya vulu. Because when who were you know why you or you not go to lazy. Or you see, oh God, we didn't win a hell year because they long. The road is long, go down. Anya walk up. Anya. Who like dini, who start do who like dini, who hey pio, or ye for ye dini, who ye poo, oh God, we are who has oh ye poo, is who ye poo, oh God, and the bonus to you, Boko get on I juicy pussy, who can never be juicy. On juicy, Uhedi can never be juicy. Uhesta can never be juicy because it's a bokoro gakpano. It's a kakpanpa. If you look at my bay, Uhed can never be juicy. Uheni away kakaraka. Oh, yeah, kakara. A solo guna soli viore. A solo without a solo you a solo. We can solo you a solo. A solo, I see what call, I see where I see where. Esther, who had come, who had it juicy, it cannot wear it, what it cannot come, what it cannot win, what it cannot roll, it can't be you ton way, oh, Baba. Where me can't be you ton, it can't be kick away, or see go, oh, poo, on their own. When we just cannot break a move. When we have Steiner, what it be kick away, you cannot. The destiny or say destiny in a way, and I'm with a word of Bahu. What about a word now? A word is a shabby woman. Then let's read down. A word is a shabby woman. She's so shabby. Shabby. Man don't like better thing. We didn't know man will like better thing. Go no say between Edward and Esther. You go no say, but you know we. This one a money making machine. See one of Vigori manager. See one of vigore, Esther. See one of vigore. That be your work. See one of vigore. Women they word now. That shopping woman now. Now we tell us say the truth. We don't have you know give what is that way boo. Women where they jam, don't be saying they stay here. Women where they here they suffer. They go come and spray you money. They so the if I walk allowed with. Oh, soon. 2 years months to soon. It would help when you suffer. You have a pity way. They go see come spray you money. You come out they saw there. All the demons say you want this. You they say no Europe tour. You mean there. Hello, Esther. Azenwen ma Esther ma yak be you. If you rale the sagana va bo yan lawe gbe. Il va bo yan lawe gbe. Gbe. Ah gba be you wa. Mo wa la lu he. Ga. We na ma la we get we ni wa da. How can you be a jando? Who go akpakara? You are a useless jando. You are a useless jando. You need to go into the totals, verify the total well. If the LP of that total they work well. When LP of pussy they work well, my guy, your destiny will stand. Your ear will stand like open. I want to the open beer of the panel. If I bring allow it, babe. I don't know. Oh, because what I can make it, a destiny no who way. A carrier the media, I go there, a destiny make ya. All destiny is half of my own. I have forgiven me all the food destiny, all the destiny. Me forgive me between. Begin me that food. In now we can go. Asoko, Asaka. You understand? Half of my own. Now be your husband footballer. Me say my own not still big. Now myself carry my pick commands. As he read, the answer, Mammy, what I was shit doing, that's where I can't knock. If they blackmail me, I get in the picture, I get in the video. Oh, boy, you get in the video for abroad. I know, man. If I want to like the video, or go up the caddy. Now I put the bros and say, see the bowl, I want to see that. What's this all? You want to shop the pick? See, I'm going to open up, chop on. Now, me myself carry a command steady. Or that way, a soapy and I will be true. The ex-girlfriend will snap screenshot you're not screenshot on our boss tell them. On our boss tell them. Why so useless people? Many people don't use you rich. They don't empower you finish. They come and call the song. Why so with this Esther? Esther, why they sleep about here like me? 419, they were just sleeping. If about here like me. A destiny not season why. Or where destiny? No, there still a bastard just road. Or you want Arinya one is not Jessica. It go there. Go and ask. I got the audio. All that for TV to help him to fight for his house that was being seized by Jessica. You go there. I was a useless person. While your husband was following useless person. Your husband took me as a friend, as a useless person. That means your husband is also a useless person. A friend to a useless person is a useless person. You get me now? Or time what around you? Or be understanding men are so for national peace story. When you hear your fear, when women are like Esther, I swear to God, human peace, woman are here when we are frank. I swear, if I got men act like we could wear, woman are here. Or when you are covered, when you wear the akpali, and then you are because say, I must break down almost to will like them. That's not being no. He must to see like that. You guys say, see, we call this, yes. You want to hear. And not soon that you go at twerk. You go is a Bameko, another so Vito. Oh, what we mean? Where me? If I go like me, open with it. If I bog you will regret this tour when you console. About here not a saga. The disadvantage of saga, you will feel it. Now this social media builds you. Now this social media will bring you down. For insulting the social media presenters, now this social media will bring you down. So after, make I see how Monica, the useless adulterous woman, go fit to save you for this social media. I want to see her. Me want to see the strength of Monica for this Facebook. How Monica go fit to stand for you, baby. I want to see her. But the problem where I get with you now, you do, I will make you mad. Where? Oh, here saga. Now walk. I don't get that work. I'm a useless somebody. I'm a jobless man. This is my job. This one is my job. Now you give me work. It's not you're a big fish. So I go shop you. You guys say, yeah, where can we do? What saloa? If I put here like destiny, a destiny go Ebagua. Papo here like, Larry, enoke, enoge pamon la remana ewi enoge we come here shift closer so enoge as useless as you are enoge we me ma bio me webo I not born for abroad I not born for abroad I not born for abroad I got married today the devil not born for me woman will not born for me hey enoge clap for yourself my guy you were born you go born SP all your children are SP special charge. Your wife say your pikin a special child. Your wife say your pikin a special child. You they born special child for Dutchland. You know they collect money for government hand. Hello? So because of mama, you use slap finish your pikin. Here you go. See, I cannot imagine me as a father. I will be glad my children they follow me they eat. Even I go they eat for us here. I go come and pikin, come take meat. You go say no they eat. You go say no they eat meat. But if I give them fish, go eat fish. If I know say because they like fish, they like fish well. So that's why they reserve fish. If I they eat now, I go reserve fish. If I don't eat, I can't. Oh yeah, even when I can't share fish for them. Now, if to say that they eat meat well with me for even they happy, I'm gonna make for happy pass. You understand? Now you, your pikin they follow you, they eat. They carry meat, and not gonna you be a near her. When I go look Laura face here, now go see Mark for Laura face. Laura. Why sagi on a bar? Et donc il y a Belora. Because c'est mon bien. Ouais SP. Et y a what that yo. Mais non plus la c'est ami de yan.
If you want to locate that person wife, when the person wife, when I say the woman, 3 weeks ago, that the man want marry another woman. My sister, I never registered when they think about those nonsense before. Say, I don't go live from me, I don't go carry, woman want carry, but they carry my sister.
Yeah, Una, no, I'm not trying now. Only because I cannot work, Ghanaian, I'm you work.
But Mama Nora, I'm not blessed.
My papa Nora will go to Instagram for this TikTok.
Shoot, and tell me, don't they give better as when they give it on a kitchen day palo. I don't complain tire. When I know say I get special shares, but when I get mad, it's not better country now.
When I know say I get special charge, now get mine. They don't give better house. House when they give her now kitchen day side. When they know say she gets special child, and then they mock me say I'm not born. I get picky for Nigeria. I not be Barry. What was that? You had double Barry. He be a wa. Or what can I be it? Or what can I be it? So, my beer. If it's my choice, you got choose when you be a banana. Now my choice. You got choose women in your bomb. Now my choice. We're not being a special child according to your wife now. You understand? Now imagine you a Nogi. Your wife they break government say the house when they give them kitchen this side parlor. That's the same 1 room or 2 rooms of then they give her for Dutchland. And that same house now me get for Italy where they pay bills. Government giving her house. Where on the street. Me rent apartment of my own where I they pay bill for Rome. After that, where I sit there so on my house. Now maybe Frank will get to house abroad. When I clap away, I need them. He marry your one now. When you know, I go to feed them. I will take my responsibility as a man. Now my bedroom I did so for the two brokers. You see now? Now if I still come out now, I go Roma. I go do my own house where I get my own key. As I come out my house and lock my door, now I come inside. If I reach Roma now, I go open my door. How I tell you leave my house, start the bitter. I not put tenants. I not put tenants to my house. Make it join me the leave. Make it join me the pay bills. I can afford my bills. I can pay my rents. For abroad with me and you do. When you still there under government, bro, you say you not get document. Okay, fine. You there under what? Under government. You never even buy anything now. Oviepa, ask me and you they talk so you don't get property for abroad. If your wife pursue you now, you living with just one luggage or one handshakes. That's the end. You go start life all over again. But the same me now when you let it say that Mugu, you better pass me. I don't get property for abroad. If I want park for house, now problem at the ghetto. Oh yeah, the 2 bedroom we are fed day for the same room there. When I want park, now headache for me. You know how many times my friends can't use car, they carry my things. You know how many times? To carry, and they look the house where they rent for the park enter. You cannot go carry those crane when they park property, they go upstairs, they enter house for abroad. You know all these things where they talk. So that's why if I want carry house now, and they carry house where I don't say I go fit carry fridge, climb up, carry deep freezer, climb up. You understand? You now, you never start that kind of experience for abroad. Before, as I did in the talk to, I rent a house for my children for Nigeria where they pay put flats every year, flats for Nigeria, and I still there here rent house for myself where they pay, they take responsibility as a father. So enoge, you never start life. You no get house for Nigeria. Your own mother is squatting with Pastor Chris Egon Evaziyegbe, aka Lehuhu, just like that. For Uwelu for positive worker. Now there your mother, the squad with your in-law, will marry your junior sister. If he knock your mama for afternoon, he go knock your wife for night. And he gets to me at the time. Ziza, wonderful. You feel me? So you cannot imagine as I did now with my age and my time for abroad this kind of time. My mama go see their life. He go to stay for tenant or go to school with person. It not go happen. I thank God my mother. My mother even buy leave house for me. You understand? He built on her own. My own father built on his own. You understand? But we are poor. We are very poor. That's the truth. I not come from a very rich family. But at least my mama built huts where would the head put our head. My papa obviously built your own when they put your own head. You see the difference? Look your life. Your own wife say you get special child. So now born SP. Special picking. Now na born SP. Then you will come. The mock person. In our born picking. In our born picking. You do okay now. Sister got the gun. You don't run enter after fight. After your wife don't fight finish. You run enter ass. You run enter ass. It shock you. Oh yeah. Make a plan for you. We're gonna hear the fight. Baby. We don't get for his ass.
Get that thing when they because of aggressive, they're going to put the aggressive on their body every minute, every second. They know who they know each other, they traumatized or not. They know who know the meaning of traumatized. Oh. So they go, who call you say they should they buy you say it's on Nigeria. Then another thing baby say.
And that thing be say what you?
Woman the vest. You go to pikin go follow if papa they eat. The pikin go take meat, my papa go go that slap say they want to do that thing for you say African.
Like here, pikin they follow papa they eat. Papa was and slap. See they don't they do that. Pikin take meat, he was and slap. See they do that kind of thing for years in Africa. Oh God, my God. I don't imagine. Say you go to beat your own pikin, your own baby, your own pikin, small pikin. What is small pikin no? And no you go to beat your own small pikin. For abroad. Children, what do it mean? What do it mean for abroad? Meat na water. Meat, would they find soup for inside meat for abroad? Now I no get a beat because that means look you guys you are poor. So why they TV they me BECKY? And no get enough buy meat for please alone. We not buy meat for abroad. We not buy meat say cook. When you go to beat your own pikin, say your own pikin chop meat and no get. Imati investor enoge maton enoge pomo. What do get no get pomo? Almighty de pomo you woman. Almighty de me what you want yari bai. Oh yeah, you get pomo. Oh no, we ya good get pomo. No will be. Oh that's why I love be yo yao. No get pomo. That's why you be no go yao. Itawa. Itatata. Hey, because of pomo. Or you be golo. Hey, God. Hey, we.
That one, say, he needs to have permission for us. Say, Father, can I take meat before the people take? For Europe, I want to be about now Euro style, say, Africa, who goes for when they say, people will take meat. If for marriage. If you say, everything personal. That is which that they do that kind of thing. Say if the pikin follow papa, the pikin take meat, papa go tear and slap. So you not get it to take meat for you.
No, everything that they take seriously. Not everything that they take seriously. Almost sexy. Really? No, you know, what they call depression.
But yeah, no, I'm not for you. Say if first you take meat. Meat.
I tell you slap her. No, that's not your slap. This is sad. No, you use math. No, you should use math. Tell her.
If you remove the hand, you go correct and say,
yeah,
don't do that next
time.
Mommy Nora, ask me.
Wait, this question. When I talk to Mommy Nora for this, and Mommy Nora no vex abeg. Mommy Nora, just listen to me. Some people there, they nice to you, even though they never show. But you see that thing. Let me also you say the man they pursue documents. You know, can't get aggressive. That thing leads that man to depression. And anybody when is into depression, now so vaccination that they invest. So I say why
Why document go lead person to depression?
Wait now what is she saying? Wait. She said
I tell you. For Europe.
Money is not here. That man don't make that foundation for grant. So get that document before you born children. They expect make sure they can't give her. Children don't go give her, and now you can put address for children and the wife, but they every minute
the children be us let that be there where they give paper. They're not understand.
Because you go because of document. The document not reach you. They tell the woman say, "Una use me to achieve. Una use me to achieve." And not you give that woman document.
I know that
they quarrel like this. That document not go ever come. It's not there. And testimony not get that home.
The God bless you. Did the family because of document. You said because of children. Children for everywhere now document not come. Why the aggressive for the children for the wife that they use it to achieve? And not be you give the children document. If the children
oh God, make her laugh small. She said children for everywhere now document not gree come. Hey, no get we, and no get mama. I love you to laugh. Well, I laugh for document for her bro. Say children for everywhere, document not gree come. All right, with that saga, let's keep saga aside first because in every nonsense. There's a sense. A lot of people are watching us now. We are about 700 people watching right now. Guys, thumbs up this video, please. Let's say something meaningful to people that are watching us so that we will learn. You see this, there are bad boosts between Enogi and the wife now. Now, things will be say many men go use until learn. Many women go also use until learn. Now, let me kill it down. First, let's go to the aspect of eating with your children. It's a very nice thing to do. You understand? We know, say, our father, our parents back home in Africa, they give us discipline. If you they eat, you know, if you take meat before your father. That one of the discipline where we say, many of our parents from Africa, they teach us those things. You understand? Now, symbol of respect, humility. You understand? Respecting your parents until your parents give you meat, may you eat. Some of us, if we they eat, mommy know they put meat for our food. After you don't eat finish, they come pieces meat for plate. Then you go to chew, you go know the one will be your own, go to carry it for them. That was how some of us was trained up. Like people like me. I'm the talk of man where I grow up. I take grow. You understand? So I believe say maybe the thing go still go to other family like that. But that family would say don't go like that. So if you don't want to, if you want to implement that thing into his own home, you want to implement that star, that Africa star into your home. You do it with love. You know why? The children here, their mentality here is different from the one we play for Africa. The obedience of the children in Africa is different from the one we do here. You don't ever see weird children. When they watch, we never call police for for Nigeria. None of us don't do one. But they happen here. So you should understand the environment you live, the community where you live, what happens there, the system there, and kill with it. If you want to change the system in that community, you change it with love. You understand? So that people understand where you're coming from. Not by hitting the children. It's very bad. On the one first of all, even me let's reason as a father. If your kid do that thing, you supposed to hit him. you will supposed to hit him. It is better you will shout for picking than hitting him or her. No talk of, not even what they paid me. This picking when they talk now. They get that kind of body where they hit. When you go to raise and they hit, they get that kind of body. They not get that kind of body. These are children. Picking when they reach 7 years. Now you they hit. It don't make sense. You understand? It shows there's something wrong with that man. Oh yes. Because this will not be first, will not be second, will not be third, will not be fourth time. Mostly within the cause quarrel between Osaum and say and a no get mama. Now beating of children, hitting his children. You understand? So you can say something is wrong with Ewi. If Osaum doesn't use sense for that guy, one day you go end one of a king. The other time he beat the Wokan collapse. Wokan never even, that was 3 years ago, but 2 years ago he beat Wokan. Small pikin whenever they talk. Say he go drink medicine. And no get to take drugs. Get drugs when he no get to drink. Then mistakenly put the drugs for ground. The pikin go dey drink am. He no get beat that pikin to the yesterday. He want to buy the pikin. Now, how can this kind of thing happen? You go expect the mother to keep quiet. You go expect the mother to have joy. Definitely the quarrel must come. Definitely there must be misunderstanding in the house. That's the most cause chaos in the house. Peace not go feed in the house. That one on one side. Like those guys, those women when they talk about depression. Because document not come, is being depressed, blah 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 blah. See, let me tell you one thing. Our God dwell in a clean place. Our God dwell in a clean place. God, they stay for clean hearts. And when your heart is clean, testimony begin to happen for your home. Joy begin to enter your house. Peace. You might not have money, but people will see they will look like big man. You know the reason why your heart is clean. God know your heart. When your heart is not clean, things go there difficult for you. Now imagine, it no get mama where they go native daughter for her all the time, but life they had them for abroad. All that glinters are not good. You understand? Not look what they see for social media. See the Josh person. They look, some people will put on Agbada for live video. She say every year Agbada ne every year Agbada. Agbada. You understand? Every year we bad them over, but here time we I typhoon. How can you imagine? Uwe because of because of a document in the marry. You refuse to get that document. Uyo kokmani ye money egbe. Jayo kudule ye egbe. The document say yare he. Bogogo yaro wani ye. Oh wano gogo ye. Also no wani blessing ye. Oh wani joy ye. Any yana marry yana deyo. Oh no guy we no ye. Uye na no listen lad. Uye na no listen lad. But because of the bad heart we no get. Or see na big or see a na big and no give man your boy believe yewa. Or your boy yak believe yewa because of the bad heart we get. When I go on Isiania or Ogwondia. But I'll say live video. Oh, we are not get maton. And not get maton on the yes, you mama. Oh God. Social media for you. Oh, yoke Benny. At the end of the day, a shame and disgrace your life with media all the time. Men not yet the day you wow. The day my disgrace your live video one day. The day my here TikTok, you know, do I drove when Miami have the social media. She get page, she get TikTok. But my here TikTok. No day the day do I drove your media. Men now we know our cultural marriage. Yeke we lost marriage. A marriage na hina. A marriage wati na hina. No will not disgrace short that for social media all the time. A marriage my baba. Then you know a marriage I've explained to Enogi several times. I don't know how I want to talk to this guy. What this guy will get sense. Before you they go do luxury marriage, is the both of you married? Question. Many of you think say now when you go pay bride price, they count woman for your lap, you do registry, you carry canopy, you invite everyone ahead. Now be married na la. Those one are exaggeration. The real marriage between a man and a woman is inside your heart. Is the both soul married? Is these two soul married? Did they really love themselves sincerely? Without no benefit? That's the question. When it's two great souls got married to each other without no benefit, nothing attached, understanding will be involved. Peace and harmony will be involved. You understand? But when you are looking for something from this A, and this A is looking for something from this B, and the thing, maybe B is getting its own, A is not getting its own, problem will occur. And let's assume A got his own, B got her own, they can never stay together because the benefit has been accomplished. Everybody have to go his own different way. That is Europe marriage for you. That's most of the marriages we have in abroad. That's why you see a lot of single mothers out there in this abroad. Dating for benefits, having kids for benefits. A lot of things happen here in abroad. And that's why you see, that's why they let them also not look my marriage to say, I want to do marriage like Franco. Not look and not give say, I want to do marriage maybe like a no give onu. You don't know how it be for inside house. The atmosphere, the thing you see outside is different from the thing that is happening indoor. My mouth can be preaching a different thing, sweet mouth, but my soul might be different, singing on that different song. That is human being for you. That is why for this Facebook, here, and use your brain to react. Use your brain to react. Other glinters are not good. See a no-give way do luxury marriage now. Everyday quarrel. See me where do cultural marriage, backyard marriage. We are peaceful. We do not see us they fight for social media. We do not see us constant basketball say, hey Frankie, they will live video. At that live video, my wife misbehaved. I could cultural. ASAP. You don't see me they humiliate my wife, they insult my wife, or you don't see my wife they raise insult on me. No. Respect is reciprocal. They are on every time, every month. Ezo Igbina. Last 2 months here. In their live video, a wife called police. Police come. And Noki was on live video for TikTok. Many of you not could get on. A wife called police. And Noki left the house for 10 days. 10 good days. He not stay house. But many people don't know this. I know. I just see Gabona. I'm every time they cast person. You feel me so? I'm every time they cast person, but you don't do too much. And many of you now who they see her and say, I want to be like a nugget. I want my method. My this one. Gotta use your brain. You understand? But I like how the way God, my God, is disgrace her. Yes. I so much derive joy. They see shame and disgrace with the entire body. Straight. Because every plan he planned against me, they return back to him. This now you're supposed to sit down and analyze me being disgraced. But unfortunately, now me they always analyze disgrace. You know why? Every evil arrow they return back to sender. That's why you see some people lay curse on me on social media, they are picking that. Okay, Shazubene. They are picking that. I'm gonna talk and clear. Me. Anybody will do me bad. I'm gonna talk and the way be for social media. Osusu Mayi. Oh yeah, you want to fire for national peace today. If I'm not winning me, even yana would. No, when I am a boy, at the end of the day, I buried in America. It's straight direct. It's just the way it is. Everybody know how to serve God. He said that knoweth their God shall do explode. Everybody know how to serve God. Know how to call the God on daily basis. And God will answer your prayer. God will answer each and everybody prayer. It depends on your heart and your soul. You understand? You say this wunda. Olo kunuro nigbe. Ona no zuwa. This one, where just come finish his career on social media. You know why it sweets me? Now social media stand this woman. Now social media builds this woman. And they say social media will bring her down. Oh yes. Since when this woman tell no Two-Face can be like a zen, like means. Here you want to know Two-Face here. Two-Face here like means. Sister pa, brother pa, ni mento lilu wena. Ina de taya you, brother pa, sister pa. Go see brother pa, sister pa. Two-Face here zo. To Baba. He spoiled to Baba life. A destiny that you go yaga be destiny. Okay, talkative. O be no ma so bo way or you go virgin. Now, your two wife now. The air word where they said that one just calm like dove. Only one. If I never get in contact with the two of them, I go say, maybe that one they pretend. But because I don't get in contact with the two of them, I know who be wife, I know who be wolf. This and the wolf. This one and the wolf. Issue go come like this, my table. I will call destiny. Destiny, a matter where this one did there. Once this woman did there, oh God, destiny go to brag. When you are this one go to make her brag. But if you call destiny for where everyone did, everyone go to say, epalaho, pagiata wowo. You know, when good woman they talk, Baba, you go not say this one a good woman. The woman go make sure say come everything, every peace go day. 2 years go hear for Facebook. Everywhere go peaceful. But you see this one, this witchcraft. There is no way the Baba here lifestyle me. Azeni, why ya iye-eki? When you are iye-eki na, no man was one day iye-eki na. When not ladia, who had to apologize to Frank Victor, who are bell, apology my foot. I don't want to apologize boy. Esther, apologize your boy. Who knew when we are in here, my apology or your boy or gonga boy. Me we do apology na, apologize boy. Go out there and do saga. No apology that will be accepted from you. After we roll equally body. Where does being have you on your job? With equally but in your war, then you are coming and want to apologize and boaster. Apology or your boy. Who would the Verona what the wish you? You see the answer, you get you for Verona, at the Verona. You will not know the difference between saga and non saga. Oh no, we are the Verona. Oh, one year I'm lucky. You get me picture here. We know why I'm lucky. You picture. Oh no, we the Verona. Assassin Verona day. The person can carry the con. Now my city be that one. You understand? Just the your girl also be not get the person picture because if I get the person picture, now like this one hand, all is secret I will pack a come on social media. Yeah, you go back with picture. Yeah, is it better picture? Yeah, is it? Oh, mama, yeah, is it? Yeah, believe yeah, social media. I wear clear. Or that for no hungry. Or we told Rena beer. Or that for where a god daughter where a bono friend or the banner. Okay, I'm not say. To the show. Your husband want to come like this. Me for go dodge do show. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. When we now I'll put sense on her head. The way show Verona, Babola will be. The way show a bit of a bononla, Charles Osadolo, but we know here Lani been on very soon. That Charles Osadolo will be scammer, will scam person 10 million naira, and he still get mad. They come abroad, they can't do show for abroad. The same person will scam 10 million naira there abroad. Charles Osadolo, $1. $1. I didn't know a I wear me a fool. Okada ya way. Okada. Carabok Monsalobua, no you no you no when if allow it with social media. Salobua or wow, see county here. Social media don't be do way. Social media don't have disgrace way down, way down. If you don't hear we ni you born when you move there, no ya you see, no one don't be on social media. No one like we boo, no one can walk you don't know. Salobua, oh God. We are going without saying goodbye. Goodbye, Mr. Updates.
I greet you, Baba Adamu.
You were do. I
Sorry, yeah, Wama.
What?
The members.
Okay, you're so calm.
No get. Oh, I already my mother. Yeah, oh. Well, we now they point the night.
You do what woman.
Come, my son.
All
Daddy,
you
come.
video.
You have to be
I
careful.
want yeah, oh, they
Come
me.
now.
It's a lobo.
Brother, if you go have me on social media,
You want me?
but
Different thing how they feel. So when you name you when I go to then Laura when I get Laura office in Shadi, no, everything I will. You get the way that they do their thing.
exactly.
You know me, Paro, no, ye get us be waro by. A we dagger we am in one night boy now. A depression in log when now be boy soon on a beer but that's not in no in log, no. It's a lobo. They na him na bona a depression say no to Europe to a show no no ya your boy a bonesta mugbe boy see nene ye boy na gbere ya hi adamene wasalu bi yo bi ohan o na go bi ohan ni gbe masasa very o yere ni fe ko ije with special shadi no again na ha mu with special shadi no wa na mu ebogbe ma again why yari obi oha ni ri beneficial special side wa na azu o na government on leti ne eba wa ya do time special shadi no on leti ne because da wa bi oni be no wa wo de ni aya mu ge government we give no year eba obo fo ne eba we ado ha me government we special shadi no get as be my brother eba wa do time da go
Okay, my brother, what for that?
oh, then I want to know ya one, there ya go. Okay, DJ night to boy, and ya we get as we be, a macata, ye na wo, no, but degbe name ya rap. Oh, no, give we, umay to home your honey ban on ye, mato high, salubia me on a salo, your honey out.
And then you're saying, oh, we have a special child.
Yeah, no, ya go for Papa, no, ya give it there, which I don't be. Yeah, my God, we are over. Ozuonumako. Mogo.
Hello?
Owe mo vote be maladian. It's a low boy.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Umenwan TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, I've been your fan for so long. You they make me they laugh. They make me they enjoy myself every evening.
Thank you.
You know? I do love you.
I love you too.
I don't even know why I love you. You know why?
I don't know.
You don't know why you
One,
know.
if you just day, you just dey dance. As you they talk the truth, you dey dance.
Yes.
As you they bring out the truth, you dey dance, and you fear nobody. I love you for that, brother.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love you for that. I just want to say, I'm sorry, may have to rest in perfect peace. I beg you I know your other lady, they won't go in danger me. I know when you come out, because they make everything. In fact, brother,
Yeah.
if I'm going to watch you, I'll just laugh. Yeah? But one thing, you are consistent.
Thank
You
you.
are consistent. I started watching you since 2018.
Esther, send me message now.
And that 2018, you were not like this, so that time you
Yes.
never find like this, so God never bless you like this. So
Don't be lie.
that time you not even sweet like this.
I tell you, that time you look me less.
You just a day, they do your things, you know. I
You
go they
don't see
follow
a day
you,
like this go
I
come.
they look you and all, you know.
You
But I thank God
you
you've
for queen
grown
lineup.
and you
Alright.
really grown well.
Thank you very
So,
much.
brother, I and most times I just send you flowers.
Thank
You
you.
know, I
Wow,
don't tell
see,
you
wow,
continue with the truth. Money is
Hello.
not everything.
Yeah.
Hello.
Money is not everything. So as you know they collect money, you just day on say as you want be, make it be,
Thank you.
brother.
Thank
And
you.
again, that amount where they call you, amount of ma, alaluwe ma.
And I
You
name
don't make
now.
my day.
I can
You don't
answer.
make my
I will definitely answer.
Any name when they call you, you go answer that. I think I want to ask one question. When they call you almost what?
Yes, now. Almost me say people will not get sense.
Mama, I better leave that one. Wabota o, wayabota.
Hey, you
Okay,
your face
brother,
like this.
make I leave you now. One love, one love.
All right, now.
Odavo.
Thank
Continue
you.
your love. Continue your saga. Just continue your lane. Love you.
All right, now. Ciao.
On a baba with the smile.
You very much. I greet you better style.
On a raya no si kakobisi.
You're a mukbe.
Wato.
I must greet you.
Oh, esago wena kedera doye ve kafana yo keswari yemena. Ete kairi yeme video sin. Try no ye hada.
Itro maga, itro.
Ebi no osuru na. Ebi no osuru na. Okay, egwini ga e kasi ai ne. Egwini oye tin do yo ni ya distract we. Na jena. Ebu weta. Aga si pa ka egwa jena. So ni na gwen gyogyo we bo ni nu we wa akele ene. Wa avio ene. Avio never we avio never ta avio never ta avio never van. Ni e memi.
Atabo.
What oh? Beba carry on.
I must greet you.
Oh man. They drop me toto.
Okay, man. Thank you very much.
I greet everybody for the house. So,
Everybody greets you with better style.
Baba with the smile.
You will do.
Oh, I bought when they hear we will tell la.
You are in your ear.
Or say when they hear. Baba with the smile. But the guy knew be sharp. Why we be mobile in new boy?
Oh,
because why am I saying it? Where me arrive, me renew warrior. In fact, we may renew war. Biti me zimio warrior man. Is zimio warrior man.
That's the truth.
Ewe bona wale mi wo special wale no omo aye adabia keri mi wo ni ya we gbo mo e wo re mi wo
ru toru fun mi a we de van paru wo won
e gan ya
Omo na zi
upoloko fun eki
ru toru
distraction here, distraction. He has a distraction. They know what they are doing.
distraction you're not distraction any agbon na ya distraction Ukawa be la yan gbe no sunu da yan no be any distraction
baba with the smile oni ekmomoro bokpa oge lady na no ri ekewe na ekere mi ari ejobo
Okay, see ask you.
It's almost saying a fan lady because he like him one get yakba beg you. Allora.
Oh, we fine. If I'm asking.
Damio. O ma mi o na no gwege na e ma me ni ana na ru mogwe mi o ma scenario yowa. When we no see e. Oyewe Italian Prime Minister Paniate Savini. O ma like wo kama we ma like we.
Unwe ku nema o ileba enu no wene. Or your tapia piano ma when ya ze you deke when you worry lo any danger. O ma me na no wege na no yoru egwu a na no rule yoru lere na. E na ma wegbe. We we nita no te pericoloso.
Ebe nuta ban we soro nyari ba no mo ya asi kosi ya uzo ina you worry lebda. Wana
Oh. E na ni rule yoru lere na.
Duwe ma we na tie ma we. Du ma on atia du bon ro yikina.
Ezaya manager la here abi na your mother fan.
Picture na deceive we ni mo hin.
Me weti ezayo. Iyo na opakere na iyo na fokpa ma yakere. Me weti ezayo ye zayo we die me ire miti de ba miti ro tu ire mi ro pa we die me ya be mi. No. I be come me we de ba know what is good for me. Isu sek we go when do ya do rubbish. We gi me come an ozuo. I like iriye mi eh. Oba me captivity. I don't do that. It when is an edwa come opianori me you wake a mesa. Even though you come on my say can me director serving with name me
ya no what. A video the woman I was sitting there the other way watch it.
A lady na. A video any watch you no ya tell me to. A me to. A watch. Ege no na tell me to on your by
watch a video no know the ade near the ade why have we matter
Victor o dere wa buwe o le pe guwe gun le pe ti e bolu e we de ti ne we gun mayin ni ate ramota loreko
ramota
Ramota loreko
obi le ko ni wa mo pe sta pa we body
Ramota loreko no we fi
ramota
ya o ramota ni akana obi yo bani no ma nwa ni no ye mo pa choko ni
Abori gbesta. Papa na gbene, esa wa ka obode, we wa seko, ramota wa gwari. Esa do. Azo wo boy.
So mo na bi wa re, about the take here.
Umenwan.
I want ramota.
Mo picture no fire, picture no
Esther Kiure Esther when time one erebo wara bagwa mo egbeso yemi wa station wo ezazaga Esther ta
Baba we dey see my daga bi
we ni we to we rubi o ma eri o ta me ma no go for be
I dey find I no see where you for see
mo ha ime I reject it
that pomo video I just dey stress for that pomo video
You show the video.
Momo video
go their page
where you dey show yes na dey find am for TikTok I say where you for see am na that one you make me come here that pomo one.
Okay.
I like the part of when you say they follow and they drag pomo. That one just take my attention. I be dey sleep, oh, you wake me for sleep one life.
Before you start giving birth, then you like bed, and you don't give that shit. You are just the way you're there with God, they relax.
Once you go reality gist.
Okay, reality gist. I'll go find. I no fit sleep since when I hear the hear pomo, you be like say pomo ya.
But the way old video ya
No.
If I like
why you do what we are on the
if I like
Rude pomo ni me na worry one. What dey important?
I don't dey fear you now. Akobi suboleki when you cry. Woman wa gbeli ya la dia na e do aka. Ewu e bo be ba ewu do. Na ewu here yare wa ire na.
Mami oge brother sa sister sa ogo ni ladies of song me ero ni because oge pomo ni mete wa wi na wa mi na mi pomo na wa mo ya.
But a guy now gbe so wa gbo mo ba mi owo.
Egbe wa gbo mi owo ni me ya ni ri me.
Epolo ya fun eki epole €1 fun supermarket.
Oni
Wa
go
gbo mo ba mi owo.
We le tu se bi kwa agwa ni mi owo we stew. Very enia we webu. When over the gbele
No,
Libya
yeah,
no
baby,
Rio.
yeah, baby, more like the social media, thought address it, kita ni
Dinhe,
post
dinhe
again.
kweve no, dinhe, that dinhe kweve no imenyo.
We account you have waste you, man. Now, if your
Abi,
gear, you
uni,
post again.
iya kwekpe gogo yen ogbele wado that 3 for €1. Aye gbo mo ba.
Odo enwina, ame enwina. Wasana
Iyo, ekpe wo me amwe adwa bia no mu ye government
opa ta ko mo.
Iya me government
go.
go.
Na de pomo.
Iya me government go. Me no re mo ya me go.
LJ, even if we have a winner, but I mean no bother seveki.
At least the government any ya ni government when ya pa o ya no le ra any ya na ya
gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ mi owó wà gbọ́ mọ́.
Umeri mi owó ya dúpọ̀ wà AliExpress. No be juju be that.
Ono na start vedere ana woro we vanire we bugo ahia ye bogbe we e wa bani money ha. Ai when I feel go we.
Esa e mu na ove mu ladian. E don't know we so mari vai fun ko. Le mama na esta kokori ni ma no re we bu. E na ino ta ni o so no me.
No, matter ma besides where a lady na tell me na matter ma we na tinye unyime me so ma bebo na a government even go near ya kokomo e ya delukmo we timo a witch AliExpress e mo agwia
I'm a best dresser. I dress my kids. Then 3 years. Special charge na vetana. I wear charge. Make na veti we bo charge. Special charge charge. I have a charge. I have a special charge. What charge na charger?
Dario.
Ewa wo
I we so you misbehave. I started the position to come and be mocking the Afro people. And at the end of the day, all the Ajebor not the figure near. Emani, you cannot do yara con does mean the cat as you go on the journey. And your spray on the study cool.
Yes.
We are good spray. What they spraying? I come out from where we're fiviku.
No, not that. The comments no make no but damn no testing it up. It's done. Oh way. If you go, then working on that fella. Esther, they don't want 40 million. It's your to 4 years. When did you become a millionaire?
4 years.
20 years ago.
Ije veni mebuwere manana. Veni mare manana.
People poor. They are poor. If you go, they don't want to kill man. Okay, you tell me, oh, where you know, Mary, you know me, right? Oh, my Tony, oh, we are me, does me. You know, you don't wear master in the way. If you are better than them, why did you forget to also?
Sister.
Because you were once poor. Esther was once poor. You know,
poor Vatachana. I have a musician here. Me mafia rock my flower.
No, I am referring to Esther himself. You demand maybe rock. They don't. Oh my! 50 years ago. That's what we're millionaire. It's not to 4 years. You not tell me of your way. We make out of your way. And the matter of your way. Would you be happy?
Mama Damio, Esther no weta na Esther mafe, Esther Melonia.
No, I'm saying what I know. This is what she always say.
She don't has money.
No, why is she calling other people?
You can easily walk here and buy the same house. So, the same of your going, he very well, your going.
They know what
so I contemplate Neni going every morning or my fee. Okay, or my fee. Yeah, to me, yeah, man, no me go by women.
Wala, one papa one mama can Adam yo wala. I did that time in Russia. Papa mama Adam.
Man, ni rewe bona when sobo anyi se ni ega gbo mo ba mi ba ma is very bad.
Baba we de sime la ime dwa e tiri shiyan iwe ave ekpome so wa keke mi yan oko wa na silogiyan lele ke na iga gbomo ni ba we pomo ni go we pomo ta me wa me freezer already 700 years o wa here freezer iye
ni wata be manania ọmọ ko pa no ke basa ve Napoli ọmọ ko pa no ke basa ve Napoli don't need eat the no buy order no the address in life na ni amugi
no mu very important mama we are ko na be dogbe we ye say odo wa o iveri no wa no send you
me money kana gbe yes
ni o pa ma wo
baba we this man ya do to Italy wa huwe
abo kha ma ifu gbeba fa wo
o iriane o we ano se me ma giwe anwe se na ma gyo na wo ye wa poto agwa esa
ye ya mu na ibi ni money ni ri aga egbe aba me wa ga ba na podo ogbe mo
ma kwe be donate ni ya o ye gba ye ye mo ba ija alaja ijo mono gogo we special charge wo we am wo one year kichi debe okay we no you we special na make na mo one we nu weta we doctor osalobua nu we rebuke we special charge ona do mo charge no ye special charge TikTok charge Facebook charge
special one special charge
oh no lady na no tore la dianate ai ma imagine me amena bo one you give me ya bo one in Nigeria yeah to call bo one
only get done here no more
oni mariba ukpobia na mariba ukpobia
just you egbe wa wo re da wo to fear topic na
baba we this man we so why we wo o wa so lo so de gbesu
update
on na asu ngo man
update
great you baba
I greet you, my leader.
I
believe you.
Baba with this man, why was so go? Wa mi mu be ya gba ore lo no wa na ni ya gba lo
e mo wa yo egbe okun oro wo do no
no wa wo me
okay ori done
wọ́n tọ́ lè
wọ́n máa ń bí marriage ọ̀rẹ́ mi social
media. Baba with this man now retire now me now be on.
No worry ya mare. No mind it. Yeah, Baba ni ya mare Nigeria. Na de.
Baba is man. Esta la dia ni wa.
Gasa se sta ni.
Demi no ya mu je wana.
Baba.
Yeah.
Esther here la dia iwe
mute.
No one.
Amanya.
Wa ge kaveri we ne.
Mana we. Ana we apology.
Okay.
O gbọ́dọ̀ an apology. Wọ́n sọ agwa. Mami egbi. Bla bla. Èmi da fi no gbe me pe ya. Sanda wa na agwa ni ya. You understand?
Me ropa.
Oh. We ain't go sagra. Yeah, we go.
Awa.
That's why you want.
Awa, o wari aga.
Emi ale ro nu e. Emi o ale ro nu e. We ain't go sagra.
O wari aga.
Un dano, atuta ka un dan.
Un dano gba be na.
Azel gaze.
Un dano gba be na.
Dore, yo no na wari na ye gbegbe o mo seri. O te lo dan igbe eri.
O ba jo je o yo pa
be. Baba we dey smoke we me what dey dem get la tin ye wu a.
Ije wa wo wa. Ije jo wa.
Where you are? Oh yeah, Zingo.
Why am I?
Wala Papa with the smile. Osalogwa fiagbo. Why ba woman? Why va woman?
Oh yeah, Zingo.
Awe no ano
I do that with saga. Oh yeah, Zingo.
Awe no ano Papa with the smile. Guguru ni gweto ni ladia.
Me mi wa de oh me je wan get mo ladia social media. On the phone.
Abija special charge, you know.
Mo say special mother no see here.
Okay, special.
Ejoki mo kono bi na.
Special mother no.
Special mother ye wa.
Special mother je special mother. In besa di mo kono bi Dublin na ma we ta.
Baba dey smile.
Obi pa ma bia na you do wo mo na.
We no be Ajebor ni kuma bia.
But yeah, special charge here, special mother here.
We tamio, we sorry no wa mate. Mate esta mareba. We mate esta mareba. Ma di ma de you no kane. Leta ni ma wate de, you know.
Good morning.
Baba dey smile domo. Uga ona ke howeru usaga esta. Wasiae and we kowekere. Gesta agbonmi ewe start here but normally. The gesta at here but no le do la dan dagbodo yin awe why do settle. I know say where my way we no magba there. I we start here but normally we know unwe or swell and along that we chip normally. You understand? Where get all that dagbodo yin you we. Bono ya tie ni we no ya tie le na ro ne boni agbe. You understand? Don't let it come. Do a kekoweru wasia, okay, do we see azanzan. You understand? Oma we zanzan for how many years? Book money on the star. Now I'll say better now. Okay, can you ladian? Or market no lay is sagana. We don't ladian. Oh, one when ladian. When they lay, understand? You understand? You know? I'm away when the musician when they start, we always saga. I take career where the when they start, we always saga. When the musician is start, we always saga. Your career go for now. Why you get away the video?
Why you got here? Start. They start on you. They start young, you know.
Start man. I'm beg it again now. I'm beg it again now. I'm living well. I boy. I work my phone. I been up. Kekode. Il est Zion les black qualities.
We're big. My way on.
Mighty egbo gbesu. Iyan enwa. Okurewebu, yema Ebagua nijia. Ya deba mitini na zigo nesta. Esa na yigi ya Ebagua.
Be awae, obo wa awae ogwo
Wa washi, iwe story nga ya me mi ya festa order for Ebagua.
We be hotel.
Wa ladies, my own word. Zekwa ladies, my own word.
Esta yigi ya be hotel. The next house, that's what I'm going to hotel. And then what Darren said, Quecky. If we can have with me to organize Quecky, no one to say. You working with Kusa. Only what?
You
are understand. If we can by the do money come away. Uga money have a group this year, Esther. Anyway, the group, the one here will be loud. We 300,000. The working on how 300,000 we are like mixing. So, why I put a family here will wire give you. Mammy, any worry, France, you are Paris, I will be a generation house. Look, you hear Benny, the connect one who is either a kick of business or bigger.
Oh, well. A fucking beautiful boy. I always saw we are there.
Go so me wonder, Papa is my go so me wonder. Me how they could win. I always talk about me can hear. Oh, we ya. Yeke.
Jesus.
Oh, we
You want more to go back?
Ije can see your mercy. No, demon. No, we know what and what he amenya we. I swear.
Okay, no. When they buy no photo.
Again, one person like who be 2 minutes wait till I have a wake up.
Oh, yeah, it's me, man.
Eh?
I don't want to come with you.
Okuna,
okay, you will not love you, kakabo. So I will anything or tolerate. Get it, now. O mami unari oku onu wem no ma wem e wa gbe na wa gun wa subi yo.
Won osun o de ga nu tana osun da we o. Osun da 2020.
Gio will love you.
The way life video for them na. Na Instagram. Iyore Monica. Phone va wa lo phone va. Na lo infinite note 4. Now infinite note 4 by Awa. Because of Asaboro go do anyway no la you la when you can just give it just get me connect ona ari connect okuru no gbasa o webu ofo efu fa de gogo yi efu fa de gogo we de ko ma shawo iri gogoro agari mero okwa bu me wa be aso ya la gogo fon na ko ke be no wa go no 2 months ma we live video you give me all live video. You to be you do not do live video again. No like that. What's no you cause scatter the phone. No need. Why?
Opia na lele we. Opia na lele we.
Ashawo ni we ti ban.
Opia na lele we. Ikwo no pia bo pia agbi na agbu nkoto. Opia kan le wa kan le lo pia agbi na agbu nkoto. Omo ti o va head na emerere. Uga vahedi yo piani hu afira time we
no we gbe
ubere no se personal learning kuso we bura
for real
uga vahedi hu we na ifa o
Onya tie
ya fata ta do we mo vahedi no ohun me iva
ngere pa o
ma no vahedi no so ma no vahedi. Okay, back be making monkey now. No, no, I beg. Why they don't know who love you? Why love you? Yes. Oh, man, so you want this? I will be back more. Where we both from home, you know, ko wa de no. You get be both. No, I don't do that because I love her. I love my husband so much, I don't do that. But he devait notager where a column a gurowa. My brother forget. Except with a love of Biani. I believe in love. If I love that man, no, I will take any shit. I mean, shit in the take or moho. It was vow. It was because man, I don't double date. Okwopa. Oyekere oro a young boy okwopa na bi ene betije mo ya we marriage or marry okwe vayeru wokpa. That is it. Yes. And if a supporter who no want or no I don't like it. No matter the situation, you try to make life with that man. You understand? Okay. But you now try to make things work on your hair. imeti on bi any character ibio but orage wa gwalo wera mi jwe wa arieri wa ga awa kunwe gidege harakwa yes
no wata na
wa wo ta ni address no ni address no ni do mudi akeme bo de nu ki ma we gbe pa na re no le ai te karabinieri tamawo ọmọ àti ẹ̀bọ mẹ̀mẹ̀ wá láìkẹ̀ na bàbá mu ìgèlè mẹ́ láìkẹ̀ na nákàlọ́ pàpàpà òkùnkùn ọ̀pá kéré mẹ́wọ̀n bàbá wey dey smile ẹ̀mẹ̀.
mama ọ̀nà sùn wẹ́dẹ̀ máa yẹ ríngì pàtí na bí bàbá náà wọ́jọ́ náà ní ẹ̀dínlẹ̀ pàṣẹ go fight we see.
wẹ́ẹ́ bí ká wọ́n pè á ní àgbẹ̀ ọ̀ lè gbé payú ẹ̀ wọ́n.
Obia enwe wa gbe pa jise wa gbe pa yan enwe ki awe ni uye selotape ya mu emi ne ya oma mi no ne no 0% ise we
is that the country no ye
iwar Europe je wa guno
Italy ma water carabinieri ba
continent we country the country no
what Italy
oye ma wa mu we star e wo ma
ele ya te carabinieri ban Italy oye
Mema la ko gbalegbe na tie normal. Wa to gbalegbe mi boya gbe pa. Yeah, bia me no I don't do that. Eledi na me problem me na. Na mama e kia no ma na me no dey dog agbon ni eyan me bata.
Okay.
You know.
Okay, me kata sin.
Eledi na no we na yen marry guy out of pity what we say ni.
Oh yeah, marry TikToker. That's why we saga we say no we saga. And why you what do I change topic yo? No, Emma. Even saga why I change topic yo? It's very bad.
Mamu message o.
Na dey change.
Mamu message o mo e.
Mama la janwi ya, ola janwi ya.
First stand on.
Ma wa me message start o.
Otu just stand. Yes pass me here.
We don besta. Also.
Yes pass me here, yes sir.
My intellectual with the reason.
Ya de mani ke ani akobi ya re Europe we na ta no se we na gbe se mani mala fun wan o da na ti ya
e mata we dele ko be mala dian esta esta yazin ya agua yazin
Babota o
domo
I meet you. It's still man of God, my yeah. When I try because Obanoma or Nita Obano Wuja, how we agree. They are the room where a relationship in Ezo, but only a book when I try. Because for you, was a ticket, no one that man. Why it's something I don't count it as anything, but you know you put grip in no have to me. Again, it's all regret at least.
Power ya gbe ko ya ti gbe me miene e ti be ti gbogbo ya o be ti miene
e ma ta ma o o ya ri ko no se ti gbo e ba gbon manage ya yeah, well, I think before I you go. Yeah, I think thank you, Jemma. Wala be bi why are you why?
Open no pogbe, open ani kun mi or on one.
Oh, my brother.
The destiny, you are coming make it destiny.
What's the next best?
Your ma come on, you go beti ko so yan na
agmomani eje wa ni ho nya wa ni ki o megbe yare bana
equivalent destiny metic be ropa Esther you know enter the life of stage you be a destiny o time republic
ijo ko ga aye wo ni
ejo kini
ijo ki ga no
But in a very organized family, Amaneru ni
you were fully destiny. We are fully destiny. You were fully destiny. Yeah, we are fully destiny. Truth, you know,
yeah, don't disgrace order for him.
Well,
destiny. Oh, yeah, love. What in next second I think destiny.
Why she bonny?
No gamma.
Come on,
If I forget to, destiny take best out.
Betty, go let you fool.
Okay.
Oh, let's know.
Destiny take best step.
Betty, go let you fool. Let you fool. Worry you. Oh, now I can't bear what you are. Who are we? Oh, what differ. On a way again.
In appearance, in appearance, in appearance, best smart is or who now. Oh, best smart is or in appearance now. And I will even fast away. You best smart is here now.
Hey, yeah, my brother. I don't always. It's 30.
Dogging a fool. Oh, do I go? Oh, why women will wear you wouldn't power. I go
who are appearing one.
I wait at you who know ye. No, yeah, so far you go your beer around. You won't power the highest thing. Your live.
No, what matter
I see you will live. I don't hurry, very very condemned. We're not work back, and we condemn, you know. Who total wa ye gwan we gwan oh wa to bomu na oho unu
and another thing oho no be ni mi weekend afi wa de te gbo ko we wa avoid because in nation we market no go like gbin na in the nation